Here's the battery configuration, and this back battery here, I used to be able to take my jug, this jug, and basically insert it here and do it, and I can't reach here, the second one, with this with my jug filler, and I can't reach the last one. It's way back. It's way back in there, and under the old battery configuration, that battery was turned around so I could reach those holes. And then you can see that this thing is not tight at all, and I don't know how to tighten it because it's tight here, right here, but it's not tight down on the battery, so the battery can vibrate. And then the last thing is this bar right here that holds down the battery. You can put quarters underneath it. So there's 1 quarter, and there's 2 quarters underneath that tie down, and maybe even 3 quarters, almost 3 quarters there that are on that metal tie down, and kind of like over here too, this tie down, it's not on the battery, so that's 1 quarter, and there's another quarter, so there's 2 quarters right there, and that metal bar should be tight against the battery so the batteries don't vibrate. So I'm not sure why they didn't do that. And then there's, look at my hand, there's grease, red grease all over the batteries. I've had to wipe. I know they have to be on the terminals, but on the metal bars, it was all over the metal bar, and I had to just wipe them down. I still have to wipe them down. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you some feedback on this.